So now we have to divide 400 with 9. So we know that 400 doesn't come in the table of 9. So what we will do is we look for a number less than 400. We can't do it if you're not a good mathematician. What you can do is you can break the 400 into two parts. Let's look at this 40. 40 जो है 9 के टेबल में नहीं आता है, लेकिन इससे कम नंबर आता है. So we know that 9 4s is 36, right? So I'm going to get 4 here, and again I'm getting 0 down. ये कैसे आया मेरे पास? I'm going to show it over here. I've just done mental maths over here. So we know that यहाँ पे 0 है, तो I have to take 1 from 4. So this becomes 10. This becomes 3. So 10 minus 6 is 4, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So now 0 will drop down here. Okay, so again 40 doesn't come in the table of 9. We need to look at the number which is less than 40, that is 9 4s is 36. So again 36 comes down, and same we get 4 as our remainder. Now we have no more numbers left out here. तो हमें इस 4 को अगर सॉल्व करना है तो पर पॉइंट लगाएंगे तो यहाँ पे एक 0 नीचे आएगा. पॉइंट लगाए बगैर नीचे ज़ीरोज़ नहीं आते हैं. मोस्टली स्टूडेंट्स यही मिस्टेक करते हैं, ज़ीरोज़ लगा देते हैं खुद अपनी मर्ज़ी से. ये बात याद रखें कि जब तक आप लोग पॉइंट ऊपर नहीं लगाएंगे क्वेश्चन में, आपके पास नीचे आपके पास नीचे पे 0 नहीं आएगा. आई होप इट्स वेरी वेरी क्लियर टू एवरीवन. So now what we'll do is again 4 will come here, again 36 will drop down here, because 9 4s is 36, and again I will get 4 as my remainder. This will keep on continuing, so I know that my answer is 4.4%. और अगर आपको यहाँ पे डेसिमल के थ्रू डिवाइड नहीं करना था तो आप लोग क्या कर सकते थे? You could have just stopped over here. आप सब यहीं पे स्टॉप कर सकते थे. So what you have done is आप अपना आंसर मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में लिख सकते थे. So if I just stop over here, what's my quotient over here? My quotient is 44, right? Let me look at over here. So my quotient over here is 44 is my quotient, right? अगर आपको आगे सॉल्व नहीं करना था डेसिमल में, what you could have done is 44 लिख के that's what my quotient. My remainder was 4 and my divisor was 9. और परसेंटेज का साइन अगर साथ लगा देते, so that would also be your answer. Either you solve your answer into decimal, or you just write your answer in form of a mixed number or a mixed fraction. Both ways you will get your answers right. So that's how you could calculate the percentage of male teachers. So now let's proceed with the next question. The part 2 is you need to calculate the percentage of the female teachers. आपको फाइंड करना है कि कितनी टीचर्स जो है वो फीमेल हैं, कितनी टीचर्स जो हैं फीमेल हैं. तो हमें अगर देखा जाए द क्वेश्चन वी आर ओनली गिवन 2 वैल्यूज़. वी आर गिवन द वैल्यू ऑफ 90 टीचर्स इन द स्कूल एंड वी आर गिवन द वैल्यू ऑफ 40 मेल टीचर्स. हमें ये नहीं बताया कि हाउ मेनी फीमेल टीचर्स वी हैव इन द स्कूल. सो कैन आई फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ फीमेल टीचर्स हियर? इफ़ यू सी ओवर हियर, हमें ये बात तो पता है कि अगर 90 टीचर्स टोटल स्कूल में हैं और उनमें से अगर 4 टीचर्स अगर मेल हैं तो ये ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि जो बाकी टीचर्स होंगे वो फीमेल होंगे. इंसान या तो मेल हो सकता है, either human can be a man or he or she can be a female. There can't be a middlemost character in between. So if amongst the 90 teachers अगर 40 अगर मेल हैं तो ये ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि जो बाकी होंगे, जो लेफ़्ट ओवर अमाउंट होगी वो क्या होगी? हमारी फीमेल टीचर्स की अमाउंट होगी. सो व्हाट आई कैन डू इज़ आई नो दैट इफ़ आई माइनस 90 माइनस 40, अगर हम 90 में से 40 मेल टीचर्स निकाल दें, सो आई एम लेफ्ट ओवर विथ 50. दैट शोज़ मी कि अगर हम 90 में से 40 मेल टीचर्स निकाल दें तो हमारे पास 50 फीमेल टीचर्स बच जाएंगे. नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू इज़ आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस वैल्यू इन द सेम वे विच आई हैव डन अर्लियर. 50 हमारे पास जो है, लेट मी राइट द स्टेप्स. सो वी नो दैट फीमेल टीचर्स, हाउ मेनी डू वी हैव फीमेल टीचर्स ओवर हियर? वी आर हैविंग 50 फीमेल टीचर्स. So female teachers are 50. How many total teachers do we have? In total we have 90 teachers. So total we have 90 teachers. So what is the percentage of the female teachers we have in the school? That is 50 out of 90 multiplied by 100%. Right? So now what I'll do is, again as I told you guys earlier, always look for zeros and try to cut them. Either you cut the zeros up and down, or you can cut the zeros in the cross. So I feel easier to cut the zeros up and down, so zeros here and zeros here I've cut. So now we are left out with 5 upon 9 multiplied by 100%. Now what we will do is, we know that 9 and 100 don't seem to be coming in the same table. So what I will do is, I will multiply 5 with 100. So 500 is 500. 100 percentage sign will be there. It is not cancelled out, so don't forget it out. Divided by 9, and after dividing you will be getting, let's divide it out over here. 9 बाहर से बाहर आएगा, 500 अंदर आने वाला है. We know that if I'm dividing 500, it won't come to the table of 9. अगर आपको proper maths नहीं आती, you can break it down into 50. 50 doesn't come table of 9. A less number does come. So we know that less number is 45. 9 5s is 45. 45 will come down here. Minus करें. Again, if I want to subtract it over here, 0 को 1 देना पड़ेगा. I have to borrow 1 from 5. So this will become 4. This will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Again, we have 0 coming down here. Again, we have 50. Again, 9 5s is 45. Again, we have 45 down. After subtracting, again we will be having 5 down. Now you have an option. Either आप यहाँ पे stop कर दें. By stopping, what you can do is, you can write the quotient, that is 55. 55. The remainder is 5 divided by the divisor, that is 9 over here. Either you can write your answer this way, or you can solve it further by putting a decimal point here. फिर यहाँ पे एक 0 आएगा, और फिर अगर आप 5 लगाएंगे, so if you 45 लगाएंगे नीचे, because you know that 9 5 that is 45, and again this will continue. Either you can get your answer as 55.5%, 55.5% can be your answer, or your answer can be 5 upon 9%. So that is the way you're going to solve your answers. So I hope it's very clear in how to calculate a percentage, a quantity into a percentage. You can see how we're using this. We can use this to calculate the staff members. है आपके पास कितने फीसद बच्चे जो हैं, कितने टीचर्स जो आपके पास है मेल है, कितने आपके पास फीमेल है. If you talk about students in the classroom, कितने बच्चे ऐनक पहने हुए, how many students are wearing specs, how many are not wearing specs, how many students are, you can say, students are short-heighted in the school. You can just use different quantities to compare each other. So we'll see. You can use this question for your practice purpose, not that clear. So I'll read it out for you guys. There are 45 male teachers and 75 female teachers in the school. So find the percentage of male teachers and find the percentage of female teachers. तो आपके पास यहाँ पे values given है. You just have to put the values in the formula and just calculate the percentage you require.